Half of the day on a Cat 299 D2. Operator complaint. After lunch when he was checking the machine, he said he noticed that when he was at full throttle, he heard a loud ticking coming from the engine area. He couldn't tell what it was. So, let me show you what I found. Close this damn door. All right, I got a flashlight set up in there. Let me show you this. That crack right there on the top manifold, watch this. Pry bar in there. Zoom in. Gonna get louder. Needless to say, it's not easy to get that exhaust manifold out of there. So, see what the customer wants to do.